Today I'll guide you step by step on how to enable two-step verification on your Google account for added security. First, on my desktop, I opened Google Chrome. Once it launched, I was presented with the Google account selection screen. I clicked on the account where I wanted to enable two-step verification. After the Google account page loaded, I went to the top right corner and clicked on my profile icon. From the drop-down menu, I selected Manage Your Google Account. On the left-hand sidebar, I clicked Security. Scrolling down slightly, I found the option for two-step verification and clicked on it. Google then prompted me to confirm my account password. I entered my password and clicked Next. The two-step verification setup page appeared. I clicked the button labeled Turn on Two-Step Verification. At this point, Google asked me to add a phone number for verification. If you've already added a phone number to your Google account, clicking Turn on Two-Step Verification will immediately activate it without asking for your number again. In my case, I hadn't added a number before, so I selected my country, entered my phone number, clicked Next, confirmed the code, sent to my phone, and saved the changes. My two-step verification was successfully enabled. And that's it. Your Google account is now more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, I have a humble request. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our future updates.